are a lifesaver. I got them from Amazon. They're like reusable Pampers or diapers. I didn't even know that they had these, but they do. They have like a little, pad in them. It's supposed to be 6 layers of protection. So they were $25, I believe, for like a 6-pack or something like that. I don't know, but they have all different designs. This is another design. This is like a sky blue and white color. He doesn't really, like use these, but I just bought them for when he goes to sleep. Look into these if you're tired of buying diapers because I don't even like buy diapers anymore. I might get a small pack like my sister recommended, because you just never know like when you'll need an actual diaper, like if you were traveling long distance or something. So I might get like a little small pack, but I think there's officially no more diapers in this house. So that is like an achievement, because if you guys only saw how many diapers I've bought in these past 3 years, you'll be like, oh my God. So yeah, he is officially potty trained and I'm so happy about it. Hey guys, so I had to stop the video really quick and come and tell you all about these products that I just discovered. And I'm not sponsored at all. This is just 100% facts right now. But anyway, I thought that it was important because for years I have been using like these two things, and basically this is like the white solid type of deodorant. But I had like an epiphany yesterday because I forgot to wear deodorant. So I'm just in my car, doing my usual thing that I always do. And I'm like, okay, I forgot to put on deodorant. Then like a light bulb just like flashed on over my head, because I'm like, why am I not sweating? Like, I don't have on deodorant, but yet my clothes are like bone dry. My clothes always are like really sweaty. Like, I have the worst underarm sweat these past few years. So that basically made me go ahead to Walmart and pick these up. So I got the Dove Caring Coconut Spray and the Degree Sheer Powder. And these are pretty much like scents that I deal with anyway. So I put these on, and basically I just still have not been sweating. Like, I've only been using these for 24 hours, and I'll definitely give you guys an update if you want one. But like, I'm not sweating under my armpits, and I don't believe it. Like, I know my family is getting tired of hearing me saying this, because I've just been still telling them, like, so I'm thinking maybe these were like clogging my armpits and like causing me to sweat, or I don't know. But if you guys have ever experienced that, let me know, because I'm truly like in shock right now. Like, how have I been using this stuff for like years and years, and this is basically what's been making me sweat? Because it'll literally be like, as soon as I step out of the shower, if I don't like have the AC on, my armpits are like already like this would be like beading up under my arms and like just getting very annoying. So I would just get mad, like, okay, I'm just taking a shower and now like the deodorant is already like beading up and stuff from like sweating. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be trying these. This is the one I've tried so far and I'm really liking it. I'm liking, you know, the scent. I don't mean to be like smelling my armpits on camera, but yeah, I'm liking the scent of it, and I'm liking that now I don't really have to worry about, you know, this white look every time I like lift my arm up, because I do go to the gym sometimes and like you have to do like certain maneuvers with your arms when you go like grocery shopping and you have to reach up and stuff onto a higher shelf. Sometimes you could feel like, okay, are people staring at my deodorant? Which deodorant shouldn't be an embarrassing thing, because if anything, it's just like showing people that you care about your hygiene. But yeah, I'm gonna be giving these a break. I'm not gonna get rid of them because I just bought like a bunch of deodorant because I just like having stuff like in stock at my house. But yeah, I'm not gonna get rid of them, but I am gonna fully switch over to this and see how it works throughout the rest of this spring and summer. If, you know, at any point it's not enough, then I'll, you know, go back to these. I've really been liking Dove lately, but yeah, I've always used Degree, so I just feel a little obligated to keep, you know, sticking with Degree. But I like to switch my deodorants up when they feel like they're not really as, you know, helpful anymore. So yeah, I just wanted to come up here and tell you guys about that, because maybe you all have sweaty armpits too. And it sounds so nasty, but it's like, okay, it's just a natural thing, so I'm not like embarrassed to talk about it. But yeah, I'm gonna be just continuing to use this and hoping that it stays doing what it's been doing, because I'm just so blown away. Say hey guys. We're in Hobby Lobby. I don't need anything out of here, but I just like looking around in stores like this. Why is it so? I guess I have to hold the camera like this. But
I like those pumpkins.
he likes the pumpkins. This cart is like, you have to really push it with all your might. Like, we need those Target carts everywhere, because those are the only ones that really just cooperate. Somebody was saying they make their carts like that so you won't notice how much you're picking up at Target. I'm like, yeah, that sounds about right. 'Cause Target is that store where you definitely lose track of what you're buying. I'm looking at their wall decor today because it's 50% off. under his bunk bed. Like where I have it like a tent almost. I want to replace that. These are cute. I'll get this one if I had to pick one.
I want you to get that fabric.
He just spotted this. This is getting a little weird over here. This is cute, but that's doing way too much. This would be cute if he was like younger, but he's a big boy now.
Maybe 80 10.